Hello beautiful dreamers and welcome back to Life of a Dreamer. My name is Darian Wright. Thank y'all so much for tuning in today. So today's video I'm super excited to bring y'all. It's gonna be a quick little video, so let's get into it. So if y'all have been on my channel this year, y'all know that I installed my DIY Microlocs in January, and this journey has been crazy. I have brought y'all along for all of it, from the install to the fixing the install and all the parting in my grid, from the first wash day to my first retie, fixing things, all that kind of good stuff. So y'all definitely check out those videos above, and they'll be linked down below so y'all can check those out and follow me along on my journey. But along this whole time, I've also been trying to find things that I could wear out in the world, especially been looking for products that come from like black owned businesses, specifically black women owned businesses, because even though like the natural hair journey is such a like specific journey because everybody's hair type is different, we all share some kind of like common like hair problems or like hair goals or things we want to do with our hair, which is usually like hair length and like protection and moisture and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, just looking for products that can really help me out with this journey, and it's been great so far. So of course I wanted to share some of the things I found with y'all, because y'all might be looking to start a natural hair journey or microlight journey, all that kind of stuff. So I want to bring y'all 3 of my favorite products so far that I've been using to do just that. And the first one up is something that I'm wearing. My best friend in the world, her name is Jayne. She is an amazing, beautiful black woman, and she has a couple businesses, and one of them is Plain Jayne. She has so many different styles. This is one of the original styles that I purchased from her when she first started. And if you notice, the hood is satin lined. And when I tell y'all, this is like my favorite hoodie in my collection, because I'm a hoodie girl. I love hoodies. I have so many, but this is definitely my favorite. And this style is called Dreamsicle. I thought it was so pretty. I thought the orange would go really good with my skin tone, so of course I had to buy it. But y'all can see the satin lining in the hood. The quality of this hoodie is amazing. It's not your typical like just regular hoodie that's going to be kind of frumpy and like bally after you wash it a few times. It's really, really high quality. I love the way it feels. It has a little bit of a stretch to it, but there's also some form to it. And also I love the detail, like the embellishment of the logo and the design is so pretty. And I think the details and just the colors just pop. Like this orange is everything, and it's got that nice like satiny finish even to the embellishment. So I really, really love this hoodie. So y'all definitely check them out. I have everything linked down below so y'all can check out Plain Jayne. And let's get into the next one. Next up, I talked about this a little bit in my favorites video. I'll have that linked above so y'all can check that out. MUAVES gifted me their all satin wrap, and it's one of my favorite things right now. Y'all, I love this wrap so much. First of all, we're going to talk about this color, because the color itself is what drew me to it, and I just have been obsessed ever since. On top of the fact that it's just beautifully made and the quality is so amazing, this satin is some of the softest satin I have ever felt. I own a lot of satin pillowcases, satin things like that, just because I'm a natural hair girly, but this satin is some of the softest satin I've ever felt, and so that just makes the wearing experience so much better. So one thing I really like about this wrap is that it's super easy to put on. I know that turban style can look a little bit intimidating, but it's super easy to do. So all you're gonna do is flip all your hair to the front, and you're gonna put the wrap on the back of your head, and you're also gonna push your hair up a little bit so that it doesn't get caught in that twist, because that can really hurt if it pulls your hair. So you're just gonna twist, and then you're gonna pull that back and loop that little bitty loop onto the button that is on the back, and you're done. It's super easy, and not only is it just gorgeous, it's super comfortable to wear. There's a little bit of elastic around the edge, and the fact that you have to twist it means you can control it, so it's not gonna be like pulling out your edges or like causing any tension, because you can control how tight you make it, and you can adjust it throughout the day if necessary. I also like to throw this wrap on like after I get out the shower when my hair is braided and it's still like a little bit damp, so I can just throw my hair up in the satin wrap and just go on about my business. So I love doing that, and that's another one of like just the easy benefits of the Microlocs, and also using like the satin line thing. So if you have to go out into the world, you know your hair is still protected, and also it's going to help it dry as well while you're wearing that satin wrap. So that's another little bonus. So I love wearing this wrap because it really goes well with like my hair routine that I'm really trying to establish in this journey. So yeah, definitely check them out, because it's something that can be so versatile. You can wear it at night, in and out the house, just whenever you want to, because it's going to protect your hair. And last but not least is a product that I'm sure all the natural hair girlies have heard of, because I heard about them way before I even established my locks. I'd see them on Instagram and all over the place. But it's my Grace Alea Slap. Is it slap cap or just slap? Anyway, a slap is a satin line cap. So of course when I started my Microloc journey, I knew I had to get one of these, and they have so many different styles and colors now, but I just got the black one just to have something that will go with everything if I want to throw it on at any minute. But I love this cap because it has the elastic that's a little bit tight, but it's not like super tight. It really is just a cap that is satin lined, and it's just super comfortable. And on those days when I don't feel like doing anything to my hair, or my hair is looking a mess, I can just throw this on. One thing I will say about this slap cap that is not anything to do with them, it's all me, it's that the length of my hair I don't think is very cute to wear this cap with yet. I feel like my hair needs to be longer, and I'll show y'all what I mean, because it just looks kind of, at least to me, it's a little bit off. So if I kind of wear it like this, I think that's a little bit cute. Have my hair pulled back a little bit, and see, the hair kind of comes out a little bit, but it's not like, it's not giving what I want it to give. I want like the big fullness, but that's just because my hair is not long enough. So that's nothing against them, obviously. And if I push my hair all the way in it because I'm really having a bad hair day, I kind of look like a skater chick, which is cool. Not always the vibe I'm going for, but at least I know my hair is protected. So yeah, I'll wear this around the house as well because it's a little bit looser than twisting up that satin wrap from MUAVES. So I can just throw this on and throw my hair up, lay all around the place, and not have to worry about my hair. But this is one of the first satin line products that I did get to protect my hair. So this is a tried and true, and I can just throw it in my purse. Like I said, it's black, so it'll go with anything. They have so many different styles that I want to try out though. Especially I saw that they released some more for like the winter, some kind of like beanie, like knit style. So I want to try those out. But this is just my tried and true that I've been rocking with since I started my Microloc. So yeah, I definitely would recommend the slap cap to anybody, just to get started. Something good to have. Just throw it in your purse, throw it in your bag, on the go type thing. So that is it, beautiful dreamers. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I just really wanted to share some of my favorite products I've been using on this Microloc journey with y'all. Hopefully it helped y'all out in some way. Don't forget to share this video. It might help someone else out. Of course, check all the links down below. Everything will be down there so you can check them out on your own time. Some of them will be affiliate links. If you want to help the channel out, that would be greatly appreciated. Don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow me on my social media. And thank y'all so much, and stay tuned for the next one. Bye.